Hello guys, welcome back to KPSI eLearn. So guys, today we will learn about view. Guys, what is the view? View is a window of virtual table which will allow related users to view and modify related data. Any modifications are made through a view will reflect on the base table and vice versa, which means lead to data consistency. That means, guys, you will make any changes onto the table, it will be reflect to your view. You will make any changes onto the view, it will reflect to your table. A view is a database object, resides in a database server, and stores only select query in compiled format. Hence, it is called a stored query. So, guys, any query you can write under the view, and you will write the query create view name, and you will your select query you will write it will be stored permanently inside that object. Hence guys, view is known as the stored query. Syntax guys: create view name. Guys, this is the kinds, that's why it's the optional, with encryption, with schema. Edge select query, and the third one is the guys also optional with check option. So guys, now we will see the what is the types of view: simple view, check option view, complex view, indexed or materialized view, encryption view, and schema binding view. Guys, first today we will see for the simple view. What is the simple view? Guys, simple view, it is saying when query is written on table with all or selected columns, then it is known as simple view. So guys, the simple view syntax is create view name as select query on single table. So guys, I am writing one query for that. So create view v underscore simple as select star from TPT. So guys, this is the simple and a small example for your view or your query. So guys, we are able to see that v underscore simple is your new view and which is taking the data from department table. So guys, now we will see the select statement and we can see the data. So guys, we are having 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 departments and their data. Guys, just now we have spoke it about if we'll do any reflection, any changes onto the view, it will show to the table. So guys, I'm inserting one record into the view. I'm not inserting the data into the table. Keep it in mind. I'm executing it. So guys, one row is affected. So this data we can see into the view. Same data, if you will come to and run your table, you will see that. So guys, your department number 80 data is available here. Now, guys, we will talk for the complex view. When query is written one on more than one table with all or selected columns, then it is known as complex view. Here you can calculate the aggregate also. So guys, it will be the complex view. Syntax create view name as select query, that is the multiple tables or grouping tables level data, you can write it here. So guys, I've given one small example here. So create view v underscore complex as select ename comma job cell com is commission d dot name d dot lsc from emp as e dpt as d, where e dot dpt number equal to d dot dpt number. So guys, this is the select statement. I'm retrieving it. You can see the data. Guys, similar way you will write inside the view. So similar output you will get it, and your query will be stored under v underscore complex. So guys, I'm writing next query, select a star from v underscore complex. So now same data you can see here. So instead of writing the big query, you can store that query inside the view. So this is the good facility with your complex view. Now guys, we'll talk for check option view. Okay, when query is written on more than one table or single table with all or selected columns by checking condition, then it is known as check option view. Syntax: create view, view name as select query with check option, create view v underscore check option as select ename comma job comma cell comma commission from emp as e, where e dot department number equal to 10 with check option. Guys, suppose you have to filter the data, and filter data you have to want to select inside the view, and that query you want to store it. In this condition we have to use check option view. I'm running that. So here we'll execute it. Now guys, you can see that we will run this query and you can see the data. Good. Now guys, we'll talk for the encryption view. Guys, when view code is not accessible by anyone, means it is locked, then it is known as the encryption view. So guys, syntax is create view, view name with encryption as select query. And guys, here we have written that our select statement. So this our select statement, and guys here execution we can see that, and guys same things will run with the with encryption. We can complete our view, and now we will run our separate query. You can see that. Now you will ask the question where we can see the view and what is the meaning of the encryption and how it will be log the code. So guys, I am having the answer. I am going to the view and just I will refresh it, and guys you can see all kinds of the view: check option view, complex view, simple view, and v underscore. Guys, here you can see the lock is there. So it is locking your code. So now I will go right click, will go to the script table. Guys, here you can't see the create statement. That means your code we can't see. But another views, you can go right click, script view as, and guys here you can create to, and guys new window you can see your code what you have written. So guys, encryption view won't be allowed to see the code. Another view it will allow it. Next guys, we'll discuss for schema binding view. In this view we can't drop main table until main view is going to be dropped. Guys, main table can't be dropped. This is a making as the security or protection. Syntax: create view, view name with schema binder as select query. So guys, I'm running the same code. So you can see that. And guys, here you can see v underscore sch. So guys, it won't be allow that data. Now guys, if we'll drop this table, it will be allowed to drop that schema. If we are going to the directly drop, see what's the error you will get it. Cannot drop table department because it is being referenced by object v underscore sch. In this scenario, you have to drop the schema binding view and then you have to be run it. Guys, I will go to the here and refresh my view. You can see your new view is available here. So guys, this is about for the view. In upcoming class, guys, will discuss for the your materialized view. Thank you. Have a watch and please make your comments and ask the question related to view. Thank you.